Omuhwezo wa speaker w'isenzero ry'ihanga nagira ngo n'ekintu cy'urukushwazana okushanga abakazi bihiremo gukutera abashija babo haza abashija bakafama mije
okani wa bakazi mutanje kutera niko kujya ngwita abashija mwatera titukabigamba na mnonga omukazi omushija omukazi akutera ha bonweka rakasa shabara nyonko mukazi wanje yangamba aho nareba ogarire azifunire so abakazi mutsasire mu nitoni nshasha
omukoro ogwo gubire gutebekanisiibwa omunyeshenjero kazi wa Rwampara more asimwe acha icha kitunguro muri Kinoni kandi ashabire government okuronda akatareke ebintu ebyabakazi barukora
omubya interest kandi ezimwe sente ninde babasiramu banywani banje ezitari muntu mugenda liba hati ezitari mu interest abasiramu esente zo ziyo nzija nanye nawe mutero mungaro munonga president witu abo kutekateka nito tukamushongera
abakuru bedini unsase nakukigamba konka itwa abakazi banyinamaka muriyo no kumwe mutsindika omukazi abaryaha bingi nabashirwe myaka 10-20 azarira omushija bombekire ekabine bintu omushija shwere mpangare mumwakira mumugita mutakesero mukazi mukuru kumushobora twabashaba mutuyambe
aba bashazire keki hagati ya kar na mashemererwa omugandi akachiko kishenjero ka ICT karambwire emerumo erumunekorwa aha factory y'umwani eya Inspire Africa Coffee omurka jarantungamo.
There's a lot of work to be done and we have been informed and this is noticed that there's a big problem of power because most of these machines need a lot of power.
Twaza kwereza report twamanyisa parliament ekiriyo nkikorwa muri ntungamo abo kuba bona ba members ba parliament bakishimanya kandi nka government biri twabahire sente konkabwe imirimo yitwareba na nebirayikire kukorwa aha twaza kurwana honka committee.
We have been listening to people saying opposition always oppose government projects. I've seen here, I've been here, I've seen what government has put here. As opposition I cannot oppose this project because we want the country to develop like in other places. We have been exporting our raw material outside the country. So now this one we are bringing it in Uganda so that we can export something that has a really a valuation that we can bring for us more money.
Nelson Tugume mukuru wa factory G asimira abanyishenjera aba kandi yabashaba okongera kumushajika.
The people who are talking about the Ntungamo issue, it's the deficiency of information.
Factory y'umwane ya Inspire Africa Coffee ubwa hateri mu kwetebekanisizo kwiruka ko mutano da Coffee Marathon okugenderire kutungura abakazi abarukuhinga umwani okurwana sobworo ahabiro 22 byo kwezi kwa 5 umwaka wa 2025.